Hello, and if you have turned up to see this video, जुग जुग जियो मेरे लाल, मम्मी का आशीर्वाद आपके साथ है. And we start the series Daily Vocab by Iconta. So we'll be trying that we introduce you to new words, and if not new words, then high frequency words that are used in everyday life and which are very 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 important for your examination. क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा दिक्कत जो आपको आने वाली है वो है सर vocabulary का क्या करें. तो करते हैं कुछ. We start. But before we start, I advise you to download this, that is iQuanta app. And as you see here, learn, help and earn rewards, solve doubts, share insights and earn iCoins, coins for every meaningful contribution. Up to 40 rupees per question in quant, 70 per question LRDI and 50 per question VARC. So you can actually make a lot of money every single day. 500 rupees tak आप दिन में बना सकते हैं, और आई थिंक every 1000 rupees can be redeemed. So that is something that is well, you can try. And also the new batches have been launched for both the year 2027 and 2028. तो जिस भी क्लास में आप हैं एक बार असेस कर लीजिए, and the earlier you start the better it is. The first word is anodyne. Okay, anodyne दवाई का नाम लग रहा है, खैर होता भी वही है. What is anodyne? It is not likely to cause offense or disagreement and somewhat dull. Not likely to cause offense. We get offended on every little thing, but ये anodyne है, not likely to cause any offense. And more importantly, or more common usage is a pain-killing drug or medicine. As I said कि दवाई का नाम लग रहा है, तो anodyne something that is harmless, does not cause any offense, and also a class of drugs that kills pain. दर्द है, दिल वाला नहीं. हाँ. Synonyms we have, शांत हो जाइए, all right. It is bland, inoffensive, innocuous, a very common word and everybody knows it, or at least should know it. Analgesic, palliative, again a common word. Enetic, not so common, and calmant, not so common. So all right, so now you have got anodyne and you've got innocuous, palliative, enetic and calmant. The words that I have kind of highlighted, please make sure that now you know them if you did not know them earlier. अब क्या है, आपने एक anodyne सीखा, आपने एक enetic and calmant दो सीख लिए. So now you have 3 words in your vocabulary, in your arsenal. All right. Next is antonyms. Poisonous character. If you have seen the movie, कौन सी थी यार, कभी खुशी कभी गम. His character was like, अजीब सा आदमी था यार, चिड़ा बैठा हुआ था दुनिया से, बेटे से भी. Okay, antonyms, obviously he is not anywhere close to being anodyne or being harmless or not causing any offense. This man kept causing offense in the movie, his character, not Mr. Bachchan. Mr. Bachchan तो आप चाहे तो quit कर सकते हैं. Anyway, poisonous, venomous, offensive, intensifying, scathing and pernicious. जैसे एक pernicious अनीमिया होता है, तो अनीमिया तो वैसे ही खैर हार्मफुल होता है, pernicious अनीमिया और हार्मफुल हो जाता है. तो pernicious, harmful. So we had anodyne and we had calmant and now we have pernicious. तो एक वर्ड पे आप देखो, you keep on adding 4 or 5 words. We move to the next one. अगला वर्ड है कापिंग. ऑलवेज कंप्लेनिंग, ये नहीं पढ़ाया, वो नहीं दिया, पीडीएफ कहाँ मिलेगा, हमेशा शिकायतें तुम्हारी. एनीवे, लेट्स सी द फॉर्मल मीनिंग. इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू प्लीज और बीइंग क्रिटिकल. कापिंग, इफ यू टेक इट एज अ वर्ब, कंप्लेन और फाइंड फॉल्ट कंटिन्यूअली अबाउट ट्रिवियल माने अनइम्पॉर्टेंट issues. छोटी छोटी बातों पे शिकायतें करते रहते हैं, that is carping. All right. And if somebody is like that, then he is also carping, difficult to please or being critical. Some of us are like that. Maybe you are also like that. Look at this. अदरक हो गया है आदमी, कहीं से बड़ी बड़ा हो रहा है. Wife carping about her husband. ठीक है, शिकायत कर रही है अपने husband के बारे में. This was a good movie, I suppose. This was Tannu vs Manu. Yeah. So you've got cavil. All right. Synonyms की बात कर रहे बेटा. You've got cavil. Note it down. Grumble, whine, captious. Note it down. Hypercritical, quibble, and grouch. I think these two can be from somehow from the sound of it you can figure out ये negative words होंगे. Okay, but still you got to know the exact meaning. Grouch and quibble and captious and cavil. These are all synonyms of carping. But when I say synonyms, what I mean to say is that they belong to the same kind of family, carrying that same kind of tone, which will be negative, positive, or neutral. But let me also tell you that it is very difficult to find exact synonyms. मतलब जो interchange हो सके कि इसको हटा के वो word रख दो, ये थोड़ा मुश्किल है. But yes, they belong to the same family of people who complain. Antonyms, would you be in any way offended if I said that you seem to me to be the visible personification of absolute perfection? Complain ही नहीं कर रहा है आदमी, बड़ा खुश है. Praising, forgiving, complimentary and charitable. I don't think there is any word in this list that you don't know. So we leave it at that. What was the second word? It was carping. So anodyne हो गया और carping हो गया. Let's see the third one. Enervate. All right. Enervate. Wait कर ले, energy खत्म है. Something like that. All right, let's see. Yeah, make someone feel drained of energy or vitality. किसी को थका देना बिल्कुल यार, पका देना तो थका देना. That is what is enervate. Enervate verb हो गया हमारे पास यहाँ पे. जल लीजिए, थक गए होंगे फैमिली, रिलेटिव्स एंड फ्रेंड्स के करियर एडवाइस सुन सुन के. Anybody who sees you after class 12th has got a career advice. In fact, now anybody who sees you on day 1 when you were born, he or she has a career advice. अब तो एक तो careers भी इतने सारे हो गए, समझ नहीं आ रहा जाए तो जाए कहाँ. पहले इक्का दुक्का हुआ करते थे. If you fail, you become a teacher like me. Otherwise, you become something else. In your case, you don't even realize that you have failed. So you don't become a teacher. What do you become? You don't know. Anyway, थक गए होंगे, जल लीजिए. Let's see the synonyms. Exhaust, weaken, devitalize, enfeeble, debilitate and incapacitate. बेटा सारे words पता हैं? All right? Weaken, devitalize. If any word you don't know, now you know that these words belong to the same family, not exactly the same, but yeah, similar kind of. भाई भाई की शक्ल मिलती है ना, बस ऐसे समझ लीजिए आप. तो भाई भाई की शक्ल मिल रही है यहाँ पे. And incapacitate, debilitate, enfeeble and devitalize, they all mean one and the same, and that is weaken, which means enervate. थक गए होंगे, जल लीजिए. Well, this guy doesn't seem to be falling short of energy anytime soon. देख रहे हैं आप, कूद फान बूम बाम बूम. ये देख लेते हैं यार कर क्या रहा है ये. This goes in, pushes the driver out. That is superb. Nice. I think रजनी सर हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. Invigorate, charge, electrify, refresh and empower. I think invigorate एक word है जो class 7th 8th में आ गया होगा आपके सामने. Just in case you have forgotten, please note it down. It is the antonym of enervate, that is invigorate, charge, energy वापस ले आने का. Next is execrable. I think very very bad. Yeah, extremely bad or unpleasant. That is execrable. बहुत सारे synonyms होंगे आपके पास. Now this character in I think Padmavat was execrable. Very very bad, appalling. Common word. बहुत सारा आपके reading comprehension passages में you find this word appalling. And then you got atrocious. Again, a very common word. लोग जो इनको इंग्लिश आती थोड़ी बहुत वो जताना चाहते हैं, oh that was atrocious, oh, egregious, oh, yes, atrocious, lamentable and despicable. ये तो picture बनी दोस्त. So you've got appalling, atrocious, lamentable and despicable. Sorry, the synonyms of execrable. All right, there are certain words I can't pronounce and there are many words that I can't pronounce. तो यही होता है फिर despicable. Next, yeah, antonyms. अरे वाह, सुंदर, beautiful. Let's see. Good, admirable, acceptable, wonderful and excellent. Now this is the easiest list that we have had in a long time as far as antonyms are concerned. These are the words that we know right from class 2, I suppose. We move ahead. The next word is salubrious. Okay, अगला word आया हमारा salubrious. कुछ को तो पता होना चाहिए. I think healthy. Health giving, of a place pleasant, not run down. So बेटा you've got two meanings. दो तरह से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. एक तो straight away हो गया salubrious food हो गया. प्रोटीन खाइए, स्प्राउट्स खाइए, फिर एक बर्गर दबा दीजिए बीच में ठीक है? Alright, खूब सारा चीनी पी लीजिए, कोल्ड ड्रिंक भी पी लीजिए, ऑलराइट। ये कुछ भी सेल्यूब्रेस नहीं है। आई मीन द कोल्ड ड्रिंक एंड द बर्गर। हाँ, स्प्राउट्स वगैरह हो सकता है यार। पीपल से हैव ग्रीन टी इन द मॉर्निंग। ओ माय गॉड, इफ यू हैव ग्रीन टी इन द मॉर्निंग, दिन ही खराब हो गया। वी डिसाइडेड हम कुछ नहीं पियेंगे पानी के अलावा, अगर आपने चाय रोक दी हमारी। ऑलराइट, सो दैट इज सेल्यूब्रियस, हेल्थ गिविंग, सेहत के लिए अच्छा होता है। व्हेन यू आर ऑन डिनर टेबल ट्राइंग टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर फूड बट योर पेरेंट्स गिविंग यू लाइफ लेसन्स। जैसे ही खाना आप खाने बैठे, पापा मम्मी शुरू हो गए, देखो बेटा ऐसा कैसे चलेगा, और देखो अपने बड़े भाई को कितना पढ़ रहा है, या देखो अपने चाचा के लड़के को, वो देखो, तो कुछ करो। ये हाल हो जाता है यार। फर्शिंग हेल्दी, सैल्यूटरी, भाई चल जा भाई, सैल्यूटरी एंड हाइजीनिक। बेटा ये सारे क्लोज सिनोनिम्स हो जाएंगे किसके, और रुक जा भाई, salubrious. Salubrious is a very common word, but I think in these days and times when people are very conscious about health, or at least seem to be very conscious about health, every day अखबार में एक आर्टिकल तो आता ही है फूड हैबिट्स पे, ओके, और उसमें normally you will find the word salubrious. Antonyms: noxious, unhealthy, unpleasant, down market भी हो सकता है। Me trying my hardest to eat healthy tomorrow. Broccoli. One of our seniors, he was carrying his plate, और उस प्लेट में boiled broccoli and papaya और ये सब था, अर्ली मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट। एंड वी सॉ हिम एंड वी सेड कि सर क्या सर आपने मतलब हेल्दी डाइट पे आ गए? बोले नहीं, ये सोशल मीडिया के लिए है। और थोड़ी देर बाद भाई साहब छोले भटूरे सुबह सुबह दबा रहे हैं। Alright, तो दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस। आप लेट्यूस एंड ब्रोकली खा रहे हैं सुबह सुबह, लेकिन सिर्फ दिखावे के लिए। वो भी ये तो कह रहा है टुमारो, कल से शुरू करेंगे, और कल कभी आता नहीं है। Alright, now we have the exercise on the same verse that we have just learned. तो पहले एक बार रिवाइज मान लेते हैं। एनोडाइन, रुक जा सिम, एनोडाइन was not providing, not being offensive, or a pain killing drug. Carping, complaining always, trivial matters, छोटी छोटी बातों पे शिकायत। Innovate, to drain somebody of all his energy, सारी शक्तियां ले ली हैं। All right. Execrable, very very bad, appalling, disgusting, जो क्या क्या atrocious, उस तरह से कुछ आता है। Salubrious, health giving, जो सेहत प्रदान करता है, जैसे कि आप खाएंगे sprouts। All right, now you need to fill in the blank from the given words that we have. The first sentence says the wrestler's plan was to deliver a crushing blow which would his opponent. I give you some time, maybe 5 seconds, and then I fill it up. The wrestler's plan was to deliver a crushing blow which would his opponent. एक मारा घूसा और opponent डुम। Alright, I think it's pretty simple. It has to be innovate. एक घूसा दिया, एक पंच दिया, और सारी एनर्जी निकल गई भाई साहब। Innovate. Okay, now we read it. The wrestler's plan was to deliver a crushing blow which would innovate his opponent. पीठ पाट बराबर। Next one. Aside, the overall direction is good and objectives are noble. वो कहता है यार एक चीज हटाओ, but overall direction is good and the objective maybe of the cinema, of the movie, or whatever is noble. मतलब idea ठीक है कुल मिला के। So we have already covered innovate, fine. So now you're left with anodyne, fit नहीं हो रहा, carping, execrable and salubrious. I think, and you also think, and you must also think, and that is carping. Carping aside, the overall direction is good and the objectives are noble. मतलब छोटी मोटी शिकायतें दूर रखें आप, ठीक है? Don't complain on trivial matters. The overall direction is good and the what is objectives are noble. Noble. Next. Morphine is the greatest we possess. अब तो drug है बेटा, very simple to guess even if you don't know the meaning. नहीं, if you don't know the meaning, it's not easy to guess. Guess. Morphine is the greatest we possess, and no drug yet discovered equals it in pain relieving power. So, clean cut, morphine is the greatest. Anodyne, all right. So we are done with Tuck and tack. All right. अब तो आप स्मार्ट हो गए हो. Because the conditions in that restaurant were so, several diners became ill and the health department was called in to shut it down. क्या खिला दिया भाई, सब मर गए. सॉरी, मरे तो नहीं, बीमार हो गए. फूड पॉइजनिंग हो गया. तो सिचुएशन कैसा है? इज इट हेल्थ गिविंग और इज इट अपॉलिंग, atrocious? आई थिंक इट इज execrable. So this is because the conditions in that restaurant were so execrable, several diners became ill and the health department was called in to shut it down. कुल मिला के बहुत खराब हालत थी. Last word. While nuts are on a nutritional level, eating too many of them can cause you to gain unwanted weight. तो ये जो आप नट्स खाए जा रहे हैं, अखरोट खा रहे हैं, बादाम खा रहे हैं, ज़्यादा खा लिया तो वेट. अच्छा, बादाम का प्रॉब्लम है. बादाम से कहते हैं मेमोरी इंप्रूव होती है और हम बादाम भिगोना ही भूल जाते हैं. दैट इज द पैराडॉक्स ऑफ बादाम. ऑल राइट, सो आंसर आउट हियर इज सेलिब्रेस. While nuts are salubrious on a nutritional level, eating too many of them can cause you to gain unwanted weight. So anodyne, not causing any offense or a pain-killing drug. Carping, complaining about trivial, unimportant, small matters. Innovate, to drain someone of his all energy. Execrable, very bad, atrocious, appalling. And salubrious, health giving. ये हो गए बेटा आज के हमारे 5 वर्ड्स. हमने छोटी सी एक्सरसाइज भी कर ली है. एंड इफ यू जस्ट रिवाइज दीज वर्ड्स ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, बाय द टाइम यू appear for your exams next year 27-28 आप चैंपियन होंगे. You will not have to worry about vocabulary बेटा, एटलीस्ट. वरना फिर वही, सर vocabulary का क्या करें? अरे कुछ नहीं होगा आखिरी 10 मिनट दिन में. जो करना है अभी करिए. और जुग जुग जियो मेरे लाल से शुरू हुआ था, जुग जुग जियो मेरे लाल पे अंत हो रहा है. And you've got batches for 27 and 28. So depending on which class you are and what you want to do in future, you may reach out to the administration and join the batches. In the meantime, these are the 5 words we did today, and we'll keep doing new words every single day till you are confident, and I'm tired. Bye. See ya.